Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Have you ever wondered why some people develop hypertension, diabetes, and even premature memory loss at a young age? The answer may lie in the body's energy factories, the mitochondria, and the nature of mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria are responsible for energy production, regulating ROS, reactive oxygen species, calcium homeostasis, apoptosis, and inflammation. When mitochondria are out of balance, energy deficiency, oxidative stress, calcium imbalance, DNA damage, and inflammation occur, driving the development of chronic diseases. Our cardiovascular disease, ROS deplete NO, nitric oxide, triggering endothelial dysfunction and atherosclerosis. Insufficient myocardial energy leads to heart failure. During ischemia-reperfusion ROS surge, calcium overload, and widespread cell death occur. Imbalances in ATP supply and calcium regulation increase the risk of arrhythmias. In short, when mitochondria fail, the heart suffers first. Free type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Beta cells are damaged by ATP deficiency and ROS production, leading to decreased insulin secretion. Insufficient fatty acid oxidation in skeletal muscle, liver, and adipose tissue exacerbates insulin resistance. Mitochondrial ROS and mtDNA, mitochondrial DNA, leakage activate inflammation, leading to chronic low-grade inflammation. Diabetic complications, retinopathy, nephropathy, and nerve damage are also closely linked to mitochondria. Neurodegenerative diseases, Alzheimer's disease, synaptic ATP deficiency, A-beta and tau proteins disrupt mitochondrial function, and impaired autophagy exacerbate inflammation. Parkinson's disease, complex I deficiency, PINK1-PARKIN mutations, and alpha-synuclein aggregation lead to dopamine neuron fragility and death. Mitochondrial imbalance gradually deprives the brain of its command role. 5 common pathological axes: ATP deficiency, oxidative stress, mtDNA damage, calcium imbalance, impaired autophagy, chronic inflammation, and metabolic reprogramming. These mechanisms are intertwined behind heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. 6 Risk reduction and intervention, lifestyle, exercise, sleep, the Mediterranean diet, and controlling the free highs. Metabolic management, early identification of abnormal glucose and lipid metabolism, NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and blood pressure issues. Nutritional supplementation, CoQ10, omega-3, and NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, precursors with a doctor's guidance. Medical exploration, medications targeting mitochondrial antioxidants, enhancing autophagy, and improving calcium homeostasis and MAM function. In short, mitochondria are the hub of health. When they malfunction, the heart, metabolism, and brain are all affected. Protecting mitochondria protects overall health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.